A very good afternoon, everybody. My name is Vasudha, and I am an IELTS trainer with English Wise Parramatta branch. And today we have our success story from overseas, which is Canada. And we have Pavani Sethi with us, who's recently gotten her desired score of 778 after only 5 private sessions of mainly focusing on her writing score. So, first of all, congratulations, Pavani. From the entire English Wise team and from all of us, from the bottom of our heart, we are really happy that you were able to get your desired score.
Thank you so much.
And everybody, she's not only gotten her 778, but her speaking score is 7, her reading score is 8.5, her listening score is 8.5, and her writing score is 7. So she's gotten an overall of 8 with 8.5, 8.5 in 2 modules, which is absolutely commendable, Pavani. When you've attended only 5 sessions, barely that means 5 hours of training and understanding and implementing the strategies really quickly. One needs to be a very quick learner and someone who can, adopt things very easily. So many congratulations, Pavani. So
Thank you.
let's share your experience with everybody out there. So what happened with you? As you were telling me that something happened during your exam as well. So let's share with everybody what happened and how was the entire experience.
So for me, actually, I decided to go with a computer delivered test, and for me, speaking went very well. Then listening and reading also, I was confident that I got a good score. Always I had a problem with writing sections. I couldn't score it earlier, and I somehow used to end up at 6.5, and my desired score was 7. So this time it happened that during writing section, when I was writing my essay, suddenly some technical issue came and the mouse pointer it stopped displaying to me. And for like 2-3 minutes I was raising my hand and I saw the invigilator was not responding. Then I actually got up, I'm seeing where he is, and I see him sitting outside the room. Then I rushed over there and contacted him that why are you not responding? Already from 5 minutes I'm raising my hand.
Mhm.
Then he came along with me inside and he saw, okay, he said you are able to type. I said, but obviously I'm not able to see the pointer, so how would I know where I'm typing right now? So it is a bit problem. So he said, okay, we can give it a shot. He actually switched off that system and logged in into another one. And he said, you can try. I said, but my time has got wasted quite a bit because of this. Almost like I would say 6-7 minutes. I was sure they are gone. Then on the other system, I tried my best to attempt, but my last conclusion part, some bit of it was left actually, and I couldn't even revise my essay.
Right.
So it happened that he said that okay, you have only like another option is to file a complaint. But and I was like, okay, I'll do it. But he said you need to give all the 4 sections again, not just the writing. And I was like, entire day I had spent, I missed out on my studies, my job, and then I'm coming here. And I said, why all the 4? I can just put a complaint for one particular section. If you want, I'll reattempt it today, within next week or another week, like nearby any time this month. And he was like, we are not even sure when they can address this issue. So I was actually pissed off at that time. I looked for all the scenarios, all the alternatives, but nothing seemed to work my way. Then I said, it's okay, I'm leaving. I don't want to give a complaint because already, because of certain immigration rule change, the IELTS slots were overbooked here in Canada.
Correct.
And when I asked him if my slot comes like in another year, then you'll address it next year, he was like, we can't say that also. It's not in my hands. I said, when I was raising my hand, you were not there. Somehow I actually lost this time because of his uh, his negligence, I would say.
Yeah.
So finally, I decided not to file a complaint, and I said, okay, I'll see whatever the score comes. And I was a bit surprised, but actually, I got the desired score.
Correct. That's amazing. That's Truly commendable. You mentioned that you weren't able to finish off your conclusion for the essay. You weren't able to proofread your essay, and definitely when we're typing our essay in a flow, we tend to make a lot of typing errors as well, which can end up in major grammatical errors too sometimes. So even after all of these things, you managed to get an on point 7 in your writing, which is very good. If you might have proofread your essay, you must have gotten a 7.5 or also an 8 possibly. So guys, here is what we can learn from our experience, that in any technical examinations or any computer based examinations as well, things can happen to you. There can be technical problems which might just come up your way, and you have to deal with them with an absolute peace of mind. You have to make sure that whatever you're doing at that point, you're doing it correct, and at least you're finishing off your paper as much as in your hands is. So that's really amazing, Pavani. So all in all, the experience was good. I remember you texted me with 18. You flooded my phone with 18 messages about your experience, and I was literally first I was shocked, and then I was also a bit disappointed with what happened with you. But yes, then we were waiting for the score, and when you gave me the good news that you did get the score and you actually got the 777 it was really a very happy moment and a very proud moment that yes, you were such a quick learner, and all the hard work that you had put in your preparation, it all came to fruition in your exam. So that's amazing, Pavani, and this is something which we can learn which from her experience, and we can actually work towards keeping our peace of mind and doing our things correctly. So, Pavani, any last piece of advice for anybody out there, how they should go, or what actually helped you to get your desired score?
Actually, for me, as I mentioned earlier, I tried giving I think it was my third or fourth attempt this time when I gave. Earlier, I used to somehow wind up at 6.5 in writing. But after your sessions, actually, I was able to analyze my mistakes. I compared, okay, when I used to write a essay before, there were certain points which I never used to add, like I mentioned earlier, adding your which part you are favoring in the introduction paragraph. Like such, there were 3, 4 more points, and this time I actually took care of it. Then I took care of another one. More important thing was like and discuss both you to write it as a kind of a third person essay. It shouldn't be giving your opinion or what you have experienced.
Correct.
So those were the only changes in my mind when I was writing that essay.
Good. That's and you ended up getting to discuss both points and give your opinion essay as well in the exam. So that was good. That was amazing. So that's amazing. With all these mistakes and with all these mishappenings in your exam, you ended up getting a 7, which could have been a 7.5 or 8 as well. But as long as we've gotten a desired score, it doesn't really matter anymore. So let's forgive the IELTS people or the invigilators in there, and let's hope for our bright future, and all the very best to you, Pavani, for your future endeavors, whatever you're pursuing back there in Canada, and keep working hard, and our best wishes are with you. So all
Thank
good.
you. Thank you so much for your help.
All good, not a problem at all. So yes, that was Pavani with us, everybody. Amazing experience, amazing journey. A different story from the other people, how to tackle all the mishappenings in the exam as well. So if you have any queries or any questions, you can always contact us, our branch here in Parramatta at Hunter Street, and we are always going to be there to help you. So see ya, bye-bye, all the very best. See ya, Pavani, all the best.
Bye.